Financial exploitation of the elderly is one of the fastest growing categories of fraud in the United States. Perpetrators range from organized criminal rings running telephone and internet scams to trusted family members and caregivers who misappropriate assets from vulnerable individuals. At People Locator Skip Tracing, we assist families, attorneys, and adult protective services in investigating financial exploitation. Here's the professional framework for elder financial exploitation investigation. The scope of elder financial exploitation: unauthorized use of a senior's ATM or credit cards, forged checks or falsified power of attorney documents used to transfer assets, undue influence over estate planning, wills, trusts, beneficiary designations that diverts assets to a caregiver or family member, investment fraud targeting seniors, contractor fraud, charging for work not performed or massively overcharging vulnerable homeowners, romance scams targeting isolated seniors. When exploitation is suspected, the first step is preserving evidence and preventing further harm, alerting the senior's bank to review recent transactions, contacting adult protective services if the senior is in a vulnerable situation, and consulting with an elder law attorney about emergency conservatorship or guardianship if the senior lacks capacity to protect themselves. Financial record investigation. Bank records, credit card statements, investment account records, and real estate transaction records reveal the scope of the exploitation, when transfers occurred, in what amounts, and to whom. Obtaining these records requires the senior's authorization, a power of attorney, or legal process if contested. Perpetrator investigation. Identifying the perpetrator may require investigation of family members, caregivers, financial advisors, attorneys, or third parties. Professional skip tracing identifies current locations and assets. Background investigation reveals prior similar conduct. Asset recovery. If assets have been transferred to a perpetrator, civil fraud claims, constructive trust theories, and undue influence challenges to estate planning documents provide legal paths to recovery. Acting quickly is important. Perpetrators often spend or further transfer stolen assets rapidly. Criminal referral. Elder financial exploitation is a crime in every state and under federal law. Coordinating with law enforcement and adult protective services supports parallel criminal prosecution. People Locator Skip Tracing provides investigation support for elder exploitation matters. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to discuss your situation.